You're a small business, a founder, with a big vision. But how do you compete with multi-million-dollar corporations that have endless resources for market research, sales teams, and customer insights? It feels impossible, right? What if I told you there's an invisible AI stack, a secret weapon that's allowing small businesses to not just survive, but to absolutely dominate in 2026. It's about intelligence, not just brute force. The first piece of this weapon is AI-powered market intelligence. Forget expensive consultants. These tools analyze global data, predict market shifts, and identify untapped niches, giving you the foresight of a Fortune 500 company for a fraction of the cost. Next, hyper-personalized sales and outreach. Imagine an AI that crafts sales pitches, email sequences, and even social media DMs perfectly tailored to each individual lead, increasing conversion rates exponentially. It's like having a dedicated sales strategist for every single customer. And finally, customer service and feedback analysis. AI chatbots handle routine queries, freeing up your team, while sentiment analysis tools comb through every review, every social mention, giving you real-time insights into what customers truly want, allowing you to innovate faster than your big competitors. At Wings AI, we help you think, decide, and build with AI. Without overwhelm, get the AI Advantage Starter Kit. Learn how to think with AI before chasing tools. This isn't just about efficiency, it's about strategic advantage. It's about using intelligence and agility to outmaneuver the giants. By leveraging these invisible AI tools, you're not just competing, you're setting the rules for 2026. Like and subscribe for more, and see you in the next one.